If you're still using Adobe Acrobat 9 Pro and want to make sure it's running smoothly with all the latest fixes and improvements, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to update Adobe Acrobat 9 Pro in just a few straightforward steps, keeping your software secure and working reliably. Let's get started. First, launch Adobe Acrobat 9 Pro on your computer. Take a moment to let it load up fully. Sometimes older programs can take a few moments to get ready. Once it's open, look up toward the very top of your screen for the menu bar. That's where you'll find options like File and Edit. What we're looking for is the one labeled Help. This tab is kind of your go-to source for software support and tools. So go ahead and give Help a click. It might sound simple, but the Help menu is the gateway to updating and troubleshooting, and it's always good to know where to find it quickly. Now, within the Help menu, you'll want to look down the list for an option that says Check for Updates. Click on it. This triggers your Acrobat software to search for any available updates directly from Adobe's servers. And don't worry if this part takes a minute. The program is doing a quick sweep to see if you're missing any critical patches or improvements. Updates can be key to better performance and security, and running old versions can sometimes cause issues with compatibility or leave you exposed to bugs. So, checking regularly, even for older software, is definitely a smart habit. If Acrobat finds an update, you'll see a dialog box pop up on your screen. This is Acrobat's way of politely saying, "Hey, there's something new for you." In this box, you'll see a download and install button. Go ahead and click that. What's happening here is the software is now connecting to Adobe's server and fetching the new update package. Just like upgrading the apps on your phone, this part keeps things running fresh and lessens the chance you'll run into glitches. If you don't see any updates at this step, that simply means you're already up to date. You can breathe easy and move on, and while the update is downloading and installing, you might see a few prompts or progress bars depending on your system. Acrobat may also ask you to review or accept a license agreement. This is completely normal and just part of their process. If anything seems unclear, read the prompt carefully. And if you're ever unsure, you can always look up terms or double-check what you're agreeing to. Sometimes installation takes a few moments, especially if your computer is older, so feel free to grab a sip of coffee or check your email while you wait. Once the update wraps up successfully, Acrobat will let you know. At this point, you'll see a Close button in the dialog box. Clicking Close simply exits the update utility and returns you to Acrobat itself. Congratulations! Your software is now updated and ready for action. Keeping Acrobat Pro up to date means better compatibility with PDFs, more robust features, and improved security while you're working. And that's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit that like button below. I'd love to hear if you ran into any hiccups or have questions, so feel free to drop a comment and let me know. And if you want to see more helpful how-tos like this, go ahead and subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.